Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to attach a file in Outlook email. Do you need to send a file through email? Alright, so in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to attach a file to an email in Outlook. The first thing I'd like you to do is to visit https://outlook.live.com in your browser and sign into your Microsoft account if you aren't already logged in, because that is the criterion that you can use to entering or accessing your Outlook account. Once you're in the top left corner, you're going to find this blue new email button. So just go ahead and click on that, and that's going to open the email compose window. Now in the email compose window, just look for the paperclip icon in the toolbar, which is at the bottom. So head over to this. It takes you here. So this is the paperclip. Now click on it. You'll be prompted to choose how to attach a file. We have a couple of options here. Number one, browse this computer. Now, choose this option if the file is saved locally. Number two, OneDrive. Choose OneDrive if it's stored in OneDrive. Number three, choose upload and share if the file is stored in another cloud service. Number three, choose link, where you have the opportunity to actually embed the link of the file in Outlook. So let's say we're choosing browse this computer. Now click on that and it opens here. So let's say this is what I want to, this is the file, and I click on open. Now it's here. You will see the file attached just below the subject line of the email where we have it here. Once you're done, you can now fill in the recipient, which you would have done before. Put in the recipient, subject, and attach the message that you want to send. And after attaching the message, go ahead and click on send at the top of the screen. You can choose to send immediately, or you can just choose to click on this drop down menu right next to it to schedule send. And that's it. You've successfully attached a file to your Outlook email. Whether it's a document, photo, or spreadsheet, Outlook makes it quick and easy to share files. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.